If you want to install new apps onto your computer, then one of the ways you can do so is from the Microsoft Store. So to access Microsoft Store, you can go around onto the bottom here and click on Microsoft Store so that the Microsoft Store opens up. Or what you can also do is you can go to the Start menu right here and you can access Microsoft Store from here, or type in Microsoft right here. So I'm just going to type in Microsoft and Microsoft Store comes in. Otherwise, you can type in Store right here and this pops up. So once you click over here, the Microsoft Store opens up just like this. So I'm just going to go around and expand this out and the Microsoft Store will load up right here. So you can go around and access out the application which you want to install right here from the choices that you have over here. Or what you can also do is you can go around onto the top and search for the application you want to install. So let's say, for example, if you were to go to Paint 3D right here, then it just goes around and you can access this out. So let's say I want to install something else like Photoshop right here. So I'm just going to type in Photoshop and see the application list that I may have. So here you can see that there's the Photoshop Express. This is free as well. So I want to install this. I'm just going to click this. And over here, you can see Get is an option right here. So I'm going to click on Get. And what happens is that it starts downloading that application right here. So it's as simple as that. So once you click on Get, it starts downloading. And depending on your internet connection speed and your computer speed, this might take a while. So you do need to wait for a bit. And the application has completed downloading and it has been installed, as you can see right here. So you can open up the application from here. So this is the newly installed application, or you can go around onto the Start menu right here and you can see the Photoshop is there as well. So if you were to type in Photoshop, you can see the Photoshop Express, which has been installed, as you can see right here. And that is how you can download and install applications from the Microsoft Store inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.